You gotta learn from your losses, just a victory, baby. I've done it all and seen it all, it's just a victory, baby. You gotta see the silver lining, it's a victory, baby. If it benefits, yeah, I know. If you want greatness, it take time. I know I'm anxious, just pay me no mind. I'm over Zaddy and I'm...
What's up, team? It's your boy Cal with another one for like the third time. So apparently all my videos were shot in slow-mo again. So I had a bunch of footage that I can't use. So I'm gonna try to do some snapshots of what I did. But first, I want to thank everybody for following the channel, watching this video. If you haven't subscribed now, I want this video to get 1,000 likes. So if you're looking at it, just hit that like button for me. I need to get 1,000 likes on this video. Also, big shout out to everybody that took that signed up for the consultation. It's not too late. Get the information while I got it. If you got questions, just want to tell me success stories. You're stumped on your land bank property. You just need some advice or whatever. That's what it's for. I do answer quick questions via Instagram or whatever, but please do not send me a whole bunch of questions on Instagram. That's what the consultation is for, but I ain't got a problem answering a couple questions on Instagram. But I got a couple people that sent me, I want to say this one good lady sent me 20 questions, and yeah, I'm talking about you. I could have been like, hey, well, you need to sign up for the consultation, but I answered the questions. But don't do me like that. I hate typing. You get what I'm saying? I talk more than I do anything. You know what I'm saying? So, but I appreciate all you guys that are signing up for the consultation. It'll be a link in the description. Or you can go to my Instagram at Hero Squad _PM, and you can hit the book it there. Also, I added an hour slot. So that way, if 30 minutes is not long enough for you, you can book an hour slot instead of a 30-minute slot. And also for the in-person consultation, I always say reach out to me first before you do it. Reach out to me via Instagram or email. Email will be herosquad.pm@gmail.com because I want to be able to set up a perfect time. There's no way for me to only pick certain time slots for that, but yeah, so hope I covered everything. But yeah, so we're back at my apartment unit that I'm going to be moving into. Had a lot of stuff going on with my family these last 3 weeks or whatever. I lost my uncle, God rest his soul. So yeah, so we got to keep going, keep grinding. As you can see here, I've been busy. So the same apartment building that you guys saw, I got a lot of the drywall up. I got a couple spots that I need to hit. I got all the insulation up, and I even got my LED lights. Ooh, 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 ooh. I love that. If y'all like this LED light on my head, I got it from Amazon. It's real. It's good because I didn't have the lights on in here, and I've been starting at 6 o'clock in the morning. And also I got my heat in here as well. Like I told you guys before, when you can't see the smoke. You see that smoke? Yeah, but I got my little heater here. This is my heater. This is what I use to heat my first unit. My first house. And I had one bedroom done. So I just turned it on, so it should warm up in here. Just a kerosene heater. This is actually used to, like a deep fryer, like when deep fry turkey or something like that or whatever. That's what I use it for. It's actually my dad's idea back in the day. So, but yeah. So that's where we at right now. And also for the people that just need a little bit of motivation, look, man. We ain't working with no big loans. We ain't working with none of that stuff. It's 9 to 5. You just got to prioritize your stuff, your life, your family, wife, 2 kids, work a job, and you got to find time. I work midnight, so I'm supposed to be asleep. You know what I'm saying? So look, hey, you got to get it how you get it. Any means necessary. Generational wealth. So I'm gonna try to get the rest of these up, the rest of the drywall done in here, and then I gotta go home, get some sleep. I gotta pick my son up from school later on. So and I gotta get some Call of Duty in, you know, stress relief. So yeah, make sure y'all subscribe to our channel. Stop playing with me, man. Let me find out, because I figured out how to check the little thing, and all y'all getting this good sauce, and y'all can't even like or subscribe to the channel. I don't blow it up. You ain't even gotta hit the notification bell. Just hit the subscribe button. You know what I'm saying? I don't even post that much, but I am gonna post a little bit more. But you know, but yeah, we trying to get it, man. Also, real quick, while I got y'all here, so this is what I was thinking, right? So that's my plastic up, right? So this is the dining room. Now, I just had a dope idea, like in my sleep. So I'm gonna show you what I'm talking about, right? So what if I were to tear this whole wall out, open this whole thing out, right? And turn this area into the kitchen, refrigerator, stove, overhead microwave, cabinets going around, countertop here, stop at the window, and the island right here, like right here, put an island with the sink in the island with the overhang, so you can sit at the island for counter space, right? And then turn maybe the kitchen area in the back maybe into a so this is the bedroom here. Either tear open this wall and make a big bedroom, like super big master bedroom with a walk-in closet, or turn that back area into an office. What y'all think about that? Let me know what y'all think about that. For the loyal subscribers that actually watch the whole videos. Shade. All shade. All right, so I gotta get back. I gotta get to it. All right, guys. I'm gonna chime back in with another one. But yeah, my camera's dead, so I'm walking around. I got my DeWalt speaker that actually has a USB port. You get this at Home Depot for about $100. You do need to have your own battery, and it comes with a plug up. What's the name? But yeah, all right, I'm getting to it. Hey, so this is the footage that was messed up. That was in slow-mo, so I was able to like fast forward, but it was like super slow. So like this video was really like, I think almost 30 minutes long. So just wanted you guys to see what I did, you know, before I put the drywall up. So you see I put the installation as R13, which is code. And then also I ran electrical for the two lights. Now the ceiling light is going to be removed. So I put in and then one of the cavities is actually the cold air return, and actually two of the cavities are cold air returns for the upstairs and for the upstairs living room and for the downstairs. And then where the windows are, I put insulation as well. So I wanted you guys just to see, you know, what's been going on for the, you know, this whole process. You know, putting insulation in. It really wasn't that hard, you know. I had to have my respirator on because there was a lot of dust and you don't want to breathe that stuff in. Definitely, I always say have that PPE, you know, safety glasses, all that good stuff. You don't want to get any of that insulation stuff in your eyes. Is a pain in the butt for sure. But yeah, so yeah, it came out pretty good. This was the footage I lost, so just wanted to show you guys that and go from there. And we're gonna get back to the next part of this video. Yeah, man. Oh yeah. All right. So it's time to mud. So I got all little spots done. It's time to mud. It's time to mud. I really like these lights. Yeah, I gotta do that. So my little cousin's gonna come over and help me mud. So I'm gonna be like, hey cuz, I need you to patch that up real quick. So I'm gonna try to get him like that. Well, I might just go ahead and do it when I start mudding. But yeah, but for the most part, around the window and everything like this. So I am going to start putting mud up tomorrow, and I got to get some more insulation so I can insulate the dining room, and I can start putting the drywall up in the dining room while the mud dries in here. So that way I can keep the process going and go from there. These lights really look good. I just don't know how much they light up the room at nighttime. So I got to come over here at night and see, but I really like them. I gotta, well, of course I'm gonna take them down once we mud and paint, but you know, still need light in here. But yeah, so I am proud of myself because technically this is the first time I actually drywalled the whole room. I usually always pay somebody to do drywall, or I never really had to go through and just tear out a bunch of walls and then put up drywall, because I usually was always salvage the walls, you know, so, and just tear out where I need to tear out. But it really wasn't that bad. It's just staying motivated to do it, you know what I'm saying? So it's like, because you'll find yourself like, man, F it, I'm gonna pay somebody, you know what I'm saying? So you can't do that, you know. So but yeah, so I got a couple of spots that ain't perfect, but man, who's gonna say something? Like right here, you know, like, man, I just throw some mud in there, man, you call it a day. So, you know, but it ain't hard, you know, it's not really hard. You just gotta, you know, so I gotta go put some more screws in a couple spots, and from there we good. We good. We on the popping. So sorry it took me so long to get back started, but like I said, I think things come up, life happens, and you just got to be able to pick yourself up when it does. But tune in to the next time. Hopefully I get you another video in the next couple of days. But alrighty guys, 1